What's going on, you guys? Sergi here. Welcome to another one of my videos. It's really been a while since I last uploaded anything to my channel. I apologize about that. I recently just got a new job and I just started classes again this last week, so kind of just been trying to figure out my schedule and everything like that, but I promise I'm going to be uploading a lot more, especially because I just picked up this GoPro Hero 7 Black yesterday. Really excited to start using it. This is the first video that I'm doing with this camera, and this thing shoots 4K, so gonna be really nice, high quality. As you can see here, everything inside the car, how the sunshine, the sunlight or whatever kind of comes in, everything just looks really nice, really clear, high quality. Really liking this camera a lot. Really excited to use it. But yeah, today I'm gonna be talking about the first mod that everyone should do to their WRX, your STI. But before we do get into that, I do need some gas for the week. Tomorrow's Monday, go back to work, have class, all this stuff. So we're gonna go to the gas station, fill up, and then let's go for a drive and talk about why this little thing right here, the Cobb Access Port, should be the first mod for every single one of you guys or gals who have a WRX or an STI. Let's do it. Alright, so while this thing fills up with gas, can we just take a moment to appreciate how freaking clean the car is right now? This car had not been washed in about a month, and I just spent like 2 hours cleaning it. First time cleaning it with the front lip. I absolutely love this thing. It looks so good. Front lip just gives the car that much more of an aggressive look. I mean, this car has an aggressive front end to begin with, but the front lip is just the cherry on top. I'm actually on my way to go take some pictures of the car after this video. If you guys want to check the pictures out of the WRX, pictures of it that I take of the SI, go ahead and give my Instagram page a follow. I'll put it in the description below. This car cleans up so well, though. I absolutely love it, and the pearl white just looks so good in the sunlight too. Literally almost 50 bucks. It's ridiculous. Gas is $3.59 right now. Anyways, why I think the best first mod for your WRX or your STI should be the Access Port. Although it is expensive, it's 500 bucks, but definitely the Access Port should be the first mod for your WRX or your STI or any car in general that is compatible with a Cobb Access Port. Is just because you'll get everything out of your car. These cars come so restricted from the factory, it's ridiculous. I mean, when I first got my WRX and I was breaking it in, after I got through the 1,000 mile break-in period, oh my god, I was so disappointed with how badly this car was on the OEM stock tune. I mean, it's ridiculous. Now with the Access Port, this car feels so much better as far as quickness, acceleration, throttle response. You just get so much more out of your car once you have the Access Port and once you have the car tuned, even if it's just an off-the-shelf tune. Obviously a pro tune is going to be a lot better, but just getting an off-the-shelf tune from Cobb or from MA Performance, I've heard they're really good also. Getting one of those tunes will bring so much more out of your car. And aside from just tuning your car and getting the most out of it, making it go faster, being able to enjoy it more, it's a really good tool to have with your car in case you ever get a check engine light or something's wrong with your car. You always know what exactly is going on with your car. Basically everything going on in the ECU, everything that's going on with the car, you can see it right there, and it's just really convenient, really useful. So aside from being able to tune your car and really get the most out of it, really get the power out of the car, that is a really nice Porsche over there. Besides that, it's just a really nice tool to have with your car. That way you always know what's going on, and if something happens to the car, you can easily see what's wrong and then take it to a dealership and you know, have them take it from there. And if you do go with an Access Port, definitely recommend going to a mod-friendly dealership, because a lot of dealerships, probably most dealerships, if they see that you have tuned your car, which even if you don't have your access port connected, they can just read the ECU and see that it has been tuned and all that stuff. Most dealerships won't cover stuff under warranty at that point, but some will, and if you happen to know someone at a dealership, that will be even better for you. So I got this one used, and I'll tag the link of where I got it from down below. They don't always have access ports in stock for certain years, but the AP Guys is the website that I got it from. They sell used certified access ports. So certified meaning as in, basically when you connect an access port to a car, it basically is married to that car, meaning you can't hook it up to another car unless it's unmarried. So you basically have to disconnect it, reset it, wipe it out and everything completely. So them being certified, they're certifying that that has been done, that way you're not getting ripped off or anything like that. It's the AP Guys. I'll put the link in the description below, but you'll save 150 bucks buying a used certified access port from them instead of from Cobb. I'm pretty sure it's like 650 bucks, which I'm sure for a lot of people that's a big chunk of change there. So, but anyways, you guys, here we are. I'm about to take some pictures of the WRX here. Not really the best spot, but I really can't think of a place to go take pictures of the car. But anyways, those are really the two main reasons as to why an access port is definitely the first mod you should do for your WRX, your STI, your Volkswagen, your Evo, whatever it is you drive. It doesn't matter what car. I personally think that the access port is the first thing anybody should do to their car if it is compatible with the access port. Just because, one, you paid a lot of money for the car, so you definitely want to make sure you're getting the most out of it. And I know some people are going to be a little skeptical to do it because it does void the warranty, might not. Depending on the dealership you go to, they might still just cover stuff under warranty, or they won't. The chances of the car breaking down and stuff like that, actually with a Subaru, these cars are actually really delicate once it comes to modifying them and stuff. So I mean, you just got to play your cards. I personally think it definitely is worth it. You do get the best bang for your buck getting an access port. You get the most out of your car. It makes the car so much more fun to drive. And not only that, but it's just a lot of information that you can have there regarding your car. If there's anything wrong at all with your car, if your car's heating up, anything at all, it's all right there in that little screen in your hand. So it's definitely a really helpful thing. It's really convenient, and it's just really awesome to be able to tune your car and just make it run so much better than how it comes from the factory. So that's about it. I'm about to take some pictures of the car. If you guys want to check them out, see what I post on my Instagram, I'll put my Instagram in the description below. And I hope you guys like this video also, and hope you guys found it helpful. And remember to hit that like and subscribe button for me. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.